Okay, let's pause this. You see, I got this comment and this guy is saying that because of say you get car, abi you get house, now make you they talk like this now. Easy for you. That is your mentality. That is why I'm telling you that travel and learn. Go around, change your circle. If you notice, say everybody where they around you, they complain. They always they complain one way or the other. They don't want just head on. Change your circle. There are people who are making millions every day. Okay, now talking about car. You know whether me get this motor. Whether I borrow or they borrow until they do content, you know. You think because someone has a car, he has a house and doesn't have a problem. Then your mindset is still low. There are people who has houses, cars, they're still poor. That is because they don't have the right mindset. The mindset of wealth doesn't have to be based on the number of cars or the number of houses you own. Think about it. Do not forget, the universe does not judge. It only responds.